Get the most out of your outdoor space by protecting your deck with Tufflex. Paul from Perkins Custom Coatings is here. And Paul, you're our resident expert when it comes to things like garage floor coatings, and you've done 8,000 of those. We talk to you about it all the time. But today we're talking about decks and deck coatings, a specific type. Tell us about the type of deck we're talking about.
Well, this would be a second or third story surface that you would not only walk on, but also would act as a roofing material.
So it has to be a waterproofing and a water barrier.
Exactly.
For the home. Okay. There are some common products out there that people may have heard of, but from what I've heard from you, they have some problems because they're not pliable, correct?
Right. It's real important for those for any surface that's going to be used in this area. It has to be pliable and flexible.
Because of the sun?
Exactly. Sun exposure, salt air, temperature variations.
Even walking on it? Is that?
And walking, of course, walking. So you're looking for a very versatile material, and we're very happy to have a product, this Tufflex material, which does exactly what we would need it to do.
Yeah, this I know is pliable. Before we get into that, just real quickly, if it's not pliable, what are some of the problems it can cause?
Well,
the other products.
The worst case is the material would crack, and once it cracks, then you've got water intrusion.
Big problems with that. Any water getting into your home from a roof area is a terrible, terrible issue. So this is your product, the Tufflex, and I can feel just by putting my fingernail into it, it is very pliable.
It's an amazing product. It has the membrane, which is the heart of the system, has a 650% elongation factor, which means that it stretches and it twists and it moves with the house, with the building, with the surface, so that and we can offer a lifetime warranty against cracking with this system, and that's not available with any other product on the market.
That's amazing, yeah, because I know the other products, they may twist, but they're not going to elongate the way that this does.
Exactly.
You said a lifetime warranty. Will you also come out and give folks a free evaluation quickly as we're talking about this?
Absolutely. That's this material can go over an existing deck in some cases, or it may need to be applied to a full removal, but we won't know without looking at the surface.
That's why it's important to have Paul come out to your home, take a look at your deck. He's going to give you the right advice. If it's the right product, he's going to make the recommendation. If not, he's going to tell you what is and give you his honest evaluation. Call Perkins Custom Coatings today, 619-333-8783.